nice house. It's a big, big house. And then the door is color red and there's a yellow handle to open the door. The sparkle stairs will be brown. Lalagay ako ng slide. And swings. Walang playground, swimming pool lang. My house looks like a hotel. Puno na ganong puno ng toys. Gusto ko ang pink house na malaki para sa mama ko, mga kapatid ko, at mga cousins ko. I want a big, big house for my family.